Most people are waiting for alt season right now, and that's exactly why they might miss it. By the end of this video, you'll know whether 2026 is the real alt season or another trap. People have been talking about the altcoin season for a while now. That magical time when everything except Bitcoin suddenly pumps like crazy. You know, when Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and others steal the spotlight and leave BTC in the dust for a while. As we kick off 2026, there's a lot of buzz again. Analysts are pointing to some real on-chain data and market signals suggesting that alt season might actually be gearing up, but this time it feels a bit different. Slower, more grounded in actual usage rather than pure hype. First off, let's talk about what altcoin season even means. It's basically when money rotates out of Bitcoin and into other cryptos, causing altcoins to outperform BTC in a big way. One key metric everyone watches is Bitcoin dominance, the percentage of the total crypto market cap that Bitcoin holds. Right now, at the moment, it's hovering around 58 to 59%. That's still pretty high, meaning Bitcoin is dominant, but it's been testing some resistance levels on the charts. In past cycles, when dominance hits a wall like this and starts dropping, that's when alts take off as investors chase higher returns elsewhere. Looking at specific coins, there are some encouraging signs in the low-risk big ones like Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and Binance Coin BNB. Ethereum is showing strong on-chain activity, with active addresses near all-time highs, even though the price has been moving sideways lately. That tells me people are actually using the network, not just speculating. It's a sign of genuine demand building under the surface. XRP is another interesting one. Even I'm not a fan of it. Whale holders aren't rushing to sell or move coins to exchanges, which often happens before a bigger move. Plus, some alts like XRP have been quietly outperforming Bitcoin in recent weeks. Solana is picking up steam with retail traders, growing steadily in a way that mirrors how it built up before past rallies. And BNB, it's seeing consistent transaction volume, pointing to real utility on the Binance ecosystem rather than just pump and dump action. Analysts are chiming in too. Mustache on X has been comparing this cycle to previous ones. He points out that in 2016 and 2020, we had a breakout and retest phase, followed by a full-blown alt season the next year. If the pattern holds, 2025 might be that retest year, setting up 2026 with a real altcoin explosion. Another analyst, Dr. Whale, is even more bullish, saying altcoin dominance has broken a long-term downtrend and could lead to 40x or 50x gains across the board. Of course, it's not all green lights. The Altcoin Season Index, a tool that checks if most top alts are beating Bitcoin over 90 days, is sitting around the mid-50s right now, which still leans toward Bitcoin season. We're not at the 75% threshold that screams, alt season is here yet. The total crypto market is pushing toward $3.2 trillion, but a lot of that is still tied to Bitcoin's moves. What I like about this potential delayed alt season is that it might actually be healthier. In past cycles, things got wildly speculative too fast, leading to massive crashes. If it comes in 2026, there's more time for projects to prove themselves with real adoption. Think better fundamentals, more developer activity, and less pure meme-driven madness. Patient investors who focus on solid projects could end up rewarded big time. No one has a crystal ball in crypto, and things can flip overnight. But the early signs in ETH, XRP, Solana, BNB Link, combined with historical patterns and Bitcoin dominance stalling, make me think 2026 could be exciting for altcoins. If you're in the space, it's probably worth keeping an eye on these metrics and maybe dipping into some quality alts gradually. Just don't go all in on hype. Cryptos taught us that lesson plenty of times. What do you think? Is alt season coming, or is Bitcoin going to keep dominating? Comment your opinion and subscribe to the channel, please.